In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop a video in OpenShot. First, open OpenShot and make sure your project is on screen with the clip you want to adjust sitting in the timeline at the bottom. OpenShot doesn't use a dedicated crop filter for simple trims around the edges. Instead, we'll reframe the shot using its built-in properties. This method lets you zoom into the area you want and nudge the picture so the subject stays centered. Start by right-clicking the clip in the editing panel below, also known as the timeline. Choose Properties. A panel will slide in on the left side of the screen, showing all the settings for the selected clip. We're going to work with Location X and Location Y, which move the video horizontally and vertically, and Scale X and Scale Y, which control how much the image is zoomed in or out. Double-click Scale X to edit its value. Increasing the number zooms in, which effectively crops the edges of the frame. Do the same for Scale Y. For a clean, undistorted look, keep Scale X and Scale Y equal so the image maintains its original proportions. If you prefer a stylized look, you can adjust them separately, but equal values are the safest choice for most projects. As you zoom, you'll likely want to reposition the shot. Double-click Location X to slide the image left or right, and Location Y to move it up or down. Small changes go a long way, so adjust in modest steps and watch the preview window as you go. If something looks off, you can always return scale values to 1 in and location values to 0 to go back to the default framing. Play the clip to check the crop while it's moving. Sometimes motion reveals edges you didn't see on a still frame. If your subject drifts, fine-tune location X and Y at the moment it matters most. For tight crops, add a bit more scale than you think you need, then back off until the composition feels natural and nothing important is cut off. Once you're happy with the framing, that's it, you're done. You've successfully cropped your video in OpenShot by adjusting the Properties panel, using Location X and Y to position the shot and Scale X and Y to zoom in for a clean, focused composition. Thanks for watching and enjoy your edit.